Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an exciting comparison between two dash cams, the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the Miden S7 Dual Dash Camera. Get ready for some epic showdowns in the world of dash cams. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at a budget-friendly price of just $29. That's a steal for a product that offers stability and upgraded features like a USB-C power supply. Plus, it includes all the necessary components for easy installation. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit provides clear and crisp video quality, allowing you to capture every detail on the road. With its 24-hour surveillance feature, you won't miss a thing, even when your car is turned off. It's perfect for those who prioritize safety and security. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit makes installation a breeze. With its simple hidden wiring, your car will stay neat and tidy, and you'll have more space for other devices. Just make sure to read the quick guide carefully before getting started. The Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is praised for its budget-friendly price, stability, clear video quality, and easy installation. Reviewers appreciate the upgraded features like the USB-C power supply and 24-hour surveillance. And that's a wrap for our comparison between the Plozo Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the Miden S7 Dual Dash Camera. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the product links. Thanks for watching.